Welcome back to REM Prompt. And my name is Rex, and today we're going to tackle a new one for our Copilot. We're going to draw a picture of two athletic college students walking outside on the campus. So we're going to go back to the university, and we're going to have a couple of college guys walking on campus. Actually, one male, one female. So I already got a prompt for you. The prompt goes: draw a picture of two white athletic college students, one male, one female, walking next to each other while wandering around the large college or university campus. They're both carrying their backpacks around on their shoulders. So I already got the prompt typed in. So you see, my prompts, they're nothing special. They all start out, draw a picture of, draw a picture of, 4 words. And then I just tell it of a male, a female doing something. And then at this location, draw a picture of a person doing something where at a particular location. I keep on using the same format over and over and over again. I start out with an action, draw a picture of. My first couple of videos, they're all going to start out with the same prompt over and over again. And then I'm going to mention what type of people I want to show in the picture, and then I'm going to tell the AI these people need to be doing what? Are they walking? Are they surfing? Are they swimming? Are they skating? Are they just standing around? Are they posing? Um, are they running? What is it that they're doing? Because they're always doing something, or maybe you're standing, maybe you're working out, maybe you're lifting, uh, you're doing something. And then the next part of the prompt is, where are they? What is the location? Are they at school? Are they on campus? Are they in classroom? Are they in the library? Uh, are they outside? Are they in the park? Are they in the gym? Um, so you have to set the scene. What is the location that you want Copilot to show when it generates the image? So um, what do you want Copilot to do? Who do you want Copilot to display? What is it that the people in the image are doing, and where are they doing it? So that's basically all it is. What, who, when, and how. So that's what we get. So let's see here. I just put the uh, I just put the prompt in. So let's see what we get over here. The nice thing about Copilot is it shows you the first picture when I click on it, and then it repeats the prompt over here. Two athletic college students, one male, one female, walking next to each other on a college campus carrying backpacks. So usually college students, they have backpacks, so they're carrying it over here. So I have one male, one female. They're walking next to each other and they're carrying backpacks. So I like to hit download. You have share, save, download, customize, resize. I always hit download because then it takes a copy of the picture and it downloads that to the downloads folder on my computer. I like to save. I like saving everything. Um, so you see here, I got 4 thumbnails. When I entered in the prompt, I got 4 thumbnails, and then it shows the first one that I clicked on, which is the one over here in the top left corner. It shows the first one over here, and then I see over here the right arrow. When I click on that, it gives me the next one, which is the one over here on the top right. Hit download again. So you see they're all different. So Copilot gives me 4 pictures, which it rendered based off of that one prompt. So then I go over here. Next one, I download. And then we go to the next one over here. Oh, we got somebody smiling. It's always tricky when you have 2 people because you never know. When you ask Copilot to give you an image with 2 people in it, you never know, one's going to be serious, one's going to be smiling, or they're both smiling. You don't know how they're going to end up, uh, how it's going to show them. Okay, so this is the part that I like about Copilot the most. It says here, add a squirrel in the background, change their outfits to something more colorful, make it sunset with long shadows. I really don't care much about the squirrel, but here change their outfits to something more colorful. He's wearing a tank top. She's just wearing a top. So we can say, okay, I'm going to just go ahead and click on one of the prompts that Copilot gives me. It's one of their suggested prompts. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I get. When you select one of the prompts that Copilot gives you, it's always a surprise. You never know. You never know what the results are going to be because you didn't type it in. It's not your prompt. It's one of Copilot's prompts. So it's always going to be a surprise. Okay, I'm going to click on the top left one. Oh, look at that. I wanted a male and a female. What did I get here? I got two guys. But one's all in red, one's all in blue. Okay. That's why I like to download everything because once I download all the pictures, I can go back to my hard drive, I open up my picture editing program or my picture viewer, and then I can go through them and I'll be like, okay, do I want to keep this picture? I want to save this picture. Do I want to edit this picture? And then I can decide, am I saving this picture? Yes or no. So this one's pretty cool. This is exactly what the prompt says, male and the female over there. So this is exactly what the prompt says. The other one was not because I had two guys. Here, male and female. That's exactly what the prompt was. Here again, female and a male. So that's exactly what the prompt was. So you see that AI does make mistakes. Copilot makes mistakes a lot, a lot. Okay, add a bicycle leaning against a tree, make the campus buildings in the background something. Change the expression to happy and excited. I'm all for that. Make them smile a little bit. I'm kind of curious about the campus buildings. Let's try that just for fun. Grins and giggles. Let's see what we get. It's always fun. Once you saw that I only entered one prompt and I'm getting pictures of two people in the same prompt. Here we go. Okay. Two athletic college students, one male, one female. I know I told it to give me two white college students. No, I took that off. Ah, okay. Did I download this? I'm downloading it. Okay. So let's see what we get. They're both wearing different color outfits, which is fine by me. Now let's see if we can make a change to them. They both have backpacks. I think he does. Yeah, he does. She has a water bottle too. Okay. Add a fountain in the background. Make one of them holding their coffee cup. Change the weather to sunny blue skies. Let's say, um, can you make the students Asian? So instead of white, let's make them Asian. So instead of showing two white students, male and female, let's have two Asian students instead. So you see, I just type in a very short prompt. There we go. Let's see what we get. There we go. I got a female and a male, and they're both Asian. Two Asian students walking around on a large college campus. Yeah, they're both Asian. Not sure. She's definitely Asian. Yeah, they're both Asian. You did it right. Okay. Let's try one more. Change the time to early morning with dew. Sometimes it gives me a tooltip or it gives me the whole prompt. Sure, let's try it. Dew on the grass. Oh, Let's see what we come up with in this one. There we go. We're gonna go pick the first one on the top. Okay, I see you're doing the grass. We'll download this one. Go for oh, I should have a guy and a girl. I got two guys here. Guy and a girl. Still the same one? Yeah. My Edge suddenly crashed on me. There we go. It came back. We'll download this one too. Okay. That sounds cool. They all came up pretty good, right? Okay. Are we still here? Yeah, we're still here. Okay. So you see that how you can just enter one prompt, and it's always a little bit tricky when you have a picture with two people in it, where you enter one prompt and you got two different people. But we went from two white students, we went to two Asian students, but it still came out pretty good. So that's pretty cool. I like how they came out. Okay, but you see how important it is where you have you tell it specifically what kind of people you want in the picture, um, where you want them, and how you want the picture to lay out, what the location of the picture is supposed to be. All right, that's going to be all for this one today. Thank you for watching RAM Prompt. My name is Rex. Please like and subscribe the video, and come back for the next one. Thank you for watching.